guys, this is Occupational Mama. Thank you for watching our video. Thank you for being there for us. Please do not forget to share with your friends and press the notification button. Also follow us on Facebook on Occupational Mama page. You can also see me on Occupational Mama backup page. We are there for you. Thank you for being there. Thank you, one love. I appreciate each and everyone. Bye.
If that woman want talk lolo, go say way. Nothing when it don't go yeah. I don't fit tell una say Monica na this thing anana auto. Na Monica be. Monica na earthworm. Earthworm. If you put salt for your body, you don't begin to dey mate, dey confess. Now Monica be any little thing, just drop am for your body, just begin to dey mate. So, Monica, if you dey talk sometimes, you know the evil shade sef. I'm not sure say this woman she normal again. To be frank and sincere, a real normal human being, no go dey talk the way when Monica take dey talk sometimes. There's something when she always they talk sometimes, and there's something related to her. Everything that she just saying on Facebook, everything is related to her. Sometimes when she mock people, you know that things that she's using to mock people, the things is coming from her side. There is a lot of video I see inside this week when one finish so, with last week. Everything that she's just saying there, ranting, shouting, doing nonsense on social media, everything is just coming from her side. There is a video that she did about this Shine, about the father of Shine daughter, telling Shine, before I accept this child, you need to bring DNA test. Then the woman, she went for DNA test and did that DNA test and bring it, confirm. That is what they said. Okay. And Monica want to make one statement. She said, Shine, they ask you DNA test. They did ask me. Why did they ask you? Why they will ask you? Why? Must they ask you DNA test? If you are a real faithful woman to Ambrose, they will ask you DNA test. Therefore, they're not going to ask you DNA test. Why they going to ask you DNA test? You said they don't ask you DNA test like me now. I'll go there, another man say, why you not ask me DNA test? The man sleep with me. He sleep with me. When I come to say, lovely, I want to ask you DNA test. Go and do this DNA test for children. Oga, you sleep with me. When you come say, may I bring DNA test for you? If you not say, you sleep with me, now you go get that confidence. Say, bring DNA test. Then she say, they ask Shine DNA test. They not ask her, may she go bring. That means say, confirm, say, your oh, na real. There is no need to ask you to go bring DNA test. Because Shine, oh, the man come dey that. And your oh, the man not that. Even the man confirm and say, oh boy, is that remember that true talking? This pikin be like me, oh. And me, and he get one day when be say, I did work last year. She come dey do saga, we dey break, we come dey chop. As I go dey waka for Facebook, I come say, she dey do saga. They, me with some Somali, we can't sit down with the chop. Because we they work together with the chop. Now I can't bring this thing come out. I can't say, this one when they say DNA test. May I ask somebody when not be Nigeria? Let me ask this somebody that is not Nigeria. Good evening, how you dey? I can say, make I ask this person when not be Nigeria. Because if I go ask Nigeria like me now, maybe the first use hatred. Take judge and say, na papa wala oh, no be papa wala oh. I say no. this DNA of analysis when they analyze for Facebook. I say, let me take it out of Nigeria community. Let me take it to another community. You know, I know the way I search on something. If I want to search on something, sometimes I don't ask Nigeria people. Because when I ask Nigeria people sometimes, for me, I'm not satisfied with it, because Nigeria people, when you talk out of 90%, 90 is a bloody liar. 10 is a faithful people. That is how I take Nigeria. Me, as you see me, so I can never do something with Nigeria person out there. Only person that I will do something with for Nigeria person, my siblings, my people, my relative. Those are the people I trust. From outside, I don't have trust in them. That is it. Even if you say I want to do something, I go for my people. I don't go for outsider. I know they ask outsider question. And how I want to do I know. I don't ask. That is me. Because I know at the end of the day, some go pump me with lie. Some will carry the matter come out. Some will come trade down the way when I not tell them. That is why you see some people say, lovely, well, we never see your secrets. Lovely, one day, your secret will soon open. No. I don't give my secret. I don't even have secrets. Everything if anything happen to me, I go to my family. My family is not secret. Anything I tell my family is not secret. It's normal. My family, how will I do this? You see it? Then what am I talking? Let me not just go far away. Then I say, okay, let me confirm this child. If this child is Ishan Pikin or na Bini Pikin, let's confirm it. Then do you know what I did? I say, this confirmation, I don't want to do it in Nigeria way. Let me take it to another country outside Nigeria. Then when we are eating now, then what did I do? I see the picture. The picture just pump in. I bring the picture out. I ask the Somalia lady. I say, these two men that is here now with this child, who is the father of this child? Do you know what that Somalia said? Somalia said, He said, hey, why are you asking? I said, you can see it, even without no DNA test. He said, now the Benin man, now he get her. I don't want to mention the man for here. Now the Benin man. He said, you see this one? He said, this one here. I say, yes. This is the real biological father of this child. I say, how? He said, when you look the mouth, when you look the forehead, when you look the nose, when you look the jaw. I said, really? He said, yes. Even the second one, when he still there with us, that one now from Congo and Togo. That one got us say, yes. He said, now this man, I ain't born this speaking. Now, so I don't say, wow. I just forget that issue. You know? Then, I not come for that one. You know, nah, me, I not be person when they too much carry something long. Then, last week when Monica do video, she always make people to know that pikin no be Shan pikin, na Bini pikin. Yes, make people to know say that pikin no be Shan pikin. But the something pay me well, oh. Pay me well, say that pikin no be Shan pikin. He pay me. And that pikin, to be frank and sincere, a child have to go to his father. As I say, they don't discover her. You have to go. I will say they don't discover her now. Many men, they are out there. They are with other men's child. Nobody talk about it because it's not on Facebook. You know? Then I got to say, shy. And they ask you DNA test. They don't ask me DNA test. Wow. That means you are not telling people that, oh, the same man that shy have child for. You yourself, you have child for that same man too. If this woman, I wish, Monica, she don't get shame. She's a shameless woman. She's a shameless woman. She don't have shame. You know, when frustration is too much, that person is confused. Right from this week, when this woman started to do live video, when you see this woman, she know they proceed way again. When when somebody want to talk talk something for video, she don't proceed well again. She did down blast. She did down blast. She's offline. She's off talk. Talk have left her. Do you know when you say talk, you say, bros, talk don't leave you. Talk have left her. If she want to proceed, she don't know what she's doing anymore. Even the people that is watching her, they are all fed up. They just want to see what she want talk again. What she want talk again. The way she talk don't left her. She not talk. She don't even know what she's saying again. I think yesterday when I was just dancing on social media, they waka, and say if I just do smart, just to pick my phone. If I just do smart, just to pick my phone, and not just today Facebook now, Till a month plus, you people will see me fine. No say if I travel sometimes, and they do videos small, Then she was talking. I said, oh my God, this woman, the word of mouth have left you. The word of mouth have left her. She just say anything when pata, anything when just come in mouth. Now she can't just dey talk. She don't compose anything again. She don't compose talk again. She just anything when just go, just like she just crazy. Like you see mad person now. I dey go worry. I come for worry. I go Onitsha. I come for Onitsha. I go New Benin. I come for New Benin. I go Ishan. I come for Ishan. I chop yam. I not chop rice. I eat rice. I use and drink garri. That is how she's doing right now. She's out of talk. She's not making sense anymore. She not they make sense. Anybody when it talk say what she they do say she they make sense. Everybody know say she's not making sense. She's out of point. She's out of talk. Talk have left her. When talk left somebody, the person is short of talk. She don't know what to say again. This she's doing, she's not doing live video anymore. She's mad. She's confused. She have tried though. She have tried to put things in order. But the level that she wants, she cannot be able to go to that standard because she have left that standard years back. She has a lot of things to fix before she will get to the place where she wants, but she cannot get there. She want to be that big woman, she cannot get there. She want to be noticed, nobody they notice her. Anybody that said that, I notice you, they notice you for useless thing. She just want to belong. She just want to be that big woman, big woman, but she cannot afford it. Big women, big babe, they afford it with waiting that they put for their body, with their background. You see their background, you see them. Look at the other day, she said that I have bought a house, cash. I have do this cash, I have do that cash. Everybody know on this social media that house is from a council. That is even the most useless house. How can they offer you that house? You take it at this time, at this age, at this time. People, if you give some people council house, they go talk say they don't need that. If me they find house, they give me that house. I thought say I don't need this house. I be person when get class. She don't have class. She did classless. Monica na classless person. She don't have class. Me, I don't fit take that house. I can never take that house. 2000 now, almost how many years now before I get this house? There is a house they give me for this area that they enter bus go there. When I got to that place, the people that will give you the house, they're already there. Everything did that house. Everything did there. When I got there, the house, the kitchen, there inside sitting room. I'm a big woman. I only love to live with big. Even if they not be me want buy that something, say now government now want offer me that something. I take the big one. I not gonna say, yeah, start saying only this one day. Me a manager. I don't need management. I don't love to manage. I don't manage. I don't need that. where I know say I go stay for a long while. I don't manage it. That one, who you see for party the day na wish? Instead of that one to go build house, she no go build house. She dey follow party to party. She no get house, so she will still come out now, still go to sleep for darkness. She want popular. As she go party rich, nobody, make she go build house. The day when she go build house, now the day when she go dey open her house. When she go open her house, everybody go say, wow, see house where the day now when she build. She no fit build house, nothing. We are not talking about her now. Just one use and take just talk as I see the comment. She dey always say go party. Little water. She always go party. She just want to popular, you know. That woman, she want to popular. Do you see? Today now, that woman, she's useless. The one they call it the day now wish. And the day now wish wanted to be popular. When you don't have money, you cannot chest it. And the day now wish is a poor woman. She want to be popular with nothing. My brother or be my sister that write this comment. How can somebody be popular with nothing? She don't even have respect. There is some people that don't have money, but they have respect. The word that came out of their mouth is a responsible word. People respect them. Even people, they dash the sort. I will say at the day now when she start proceeding on this Facebook with her live video, she could have started with respect. People will respect you. She go even they see gift. People go they dash and gift. Now she have turned the table upside down. She have turned her head upside down. Now she can't make it. That woman, she's gog. Person that call herself a retired prostitute. How can a she's a retired prostitute that gog? I'm not make her now. She's actually not make her. You know, she never make it. She come on social media and ask herself that she's a retired prostitute. Don't get something to do with retired prostitute. Man, she didn't even say that I'm a retired businesswoman. I'm a retired tailor. I'm a retired this thing, chef. If they cook. No, she never said something that, okay, somebody will wake your business up. Who is going to wake our business up? How can somebody that says she's a retired prostitute, let's say, for example, now they'll say, lovely, what is your occupation? I'll say, well, I'm a fashion designer. I love styling. I love this. They'll say, okay, we can help you up with that. Do you want to go back to school? I'll say, yes, okay. Let us take you back to school. Okay, maybe I will spend 1 year for this school to just straighten my hand, everything. They'll say, okay, you have done with it. Okay, what do you want next? I'll say, I need sewing machine. They'll say, okay, we give you sewing machine. People, they will dash me sewing machine, dash me sewing machine. Did you see? That is occupation that when your occupation is down, some people, they will still come there and rise it up. Then her occupation that she bring on social media is a prostitute, that she's a retired prostitute. My man. How are we going to help her? We are not a retired prostitute. A retired prostitute is not a business. A retired prostitute is not a business. Okay, you that just write this thing now, how can we help a retired prostitute? She's not a stylist. She's not a fashion designer. She's not a cooker. Come on to cook. She don't know how to cook. She will be cooking okra. She will put it tomatoes. She will be cooking, what do you call it? Egusi soup, she will put tomatoes. When she cook okra and egusi soup, the pot will full. Who enjoys that food? That food is too dry. Nobody will enjoy that soup. Okra with where? Okra soup with ogbolo. As heavy as ogbolo is, you add okra to it. It's like when you are eating, it's like you are drawing things inside your stomach. You know? That is, she couldn't get a help from social media. That is the day now when she couldn't get a help from social media. Because why? She said that she's a retired prostitute. Nobody have any instrument for retired prostitute. My people, do you people have instrument for retired prostitute? No. Maybe somebody will say, okay, lovely. Okay, don't worry. I will give you a machine. Okay, take this sewing machine. Come, I got it. Thank you, sister. Thank you very much for this sewing machine you just dash me. Good. Okay. Now, what are we going to use to help Edede Nawish? She says she's a retired prostitute. We don't know this thing they used to do. She's the one that know what she used to start retire the prostitute. We are not there with her. We never know her before. We just wake up one day, see the day now when she's doing live video. Okay, my people, now how we go to help this woman? You see, she have trade a lot of trade there on social media. She couldn't make it. Her occupation is prostitute. Let her go back to prostitute. She work in one fabrica, they pursue her. He work in the second one, they pursue her. She was doing hair in one salon in London, they pursue her. She's come to Facebook and say, I get if you are looking for a fruit of the womb, I have the medicine. Nobody buy from her. She called Egele come, Auto Egele come. He didn't say. Because those are not her calling. Her calling is a prostitute. She has been doing this prostitute more than 55 years. She's still doing it. Then she come on Facebook and say she's a retired prostitute. Come reach today. Even the work when they for Sakan, where this thing they go knocking for toilet. Camera catch them for there, now they driver. Everywhere when they na wish reach, now they knock. They na wish must knock. You must knock. Eh? Well, you don't ever see how many people she don't dress her hair. How many people she don't dress her hair. She's a hairdresser. How many times she don't go house now, my sister? She don't, since when we did live video, she don't go house reach 4 times. She couldn't open just a shop. Say, if I reach Nigeria, may I see where they stay. She couldn't open just a shop of hairdressing. No. Even her, she say her daughter, na hairdresser. When I don't see her for her daughter's shop, there is some women, they open shop for their children. If they come for abroad, they go buy things, say, my pikin, and they buy something, come, I want to sell her. Now that money, now I want use for Nigeria. Pikin will say, okay, mommy, bring her. Before she go arrive Nigeria, the goods don't already arrive. Her pikin don't already, they sell the goods away for her. Then she has nothing to call with. That woman, she just a useless woman. See now, she don't enter Monica life. Now Monica now don't confuse. Monica don't frustrate. Did you see one word Monica said? Monica said that Ambrose, they leak Ikbekus. Now make Ambrose useless like that. Can you imagine? She said it with her mouth. Monica said it with her mouth. I tell she speaking for the Bini. Say why Ambrose is useless like this. Now when they leak Bekus, like Papa what did they call that Pikin safe? He say he can't mention Pikin name join Pikin Papa. You see he say his husband they leak Bekus. Now go say now wow this our brother me I don't understand. This woman go choke all those didos for inside Ikbekus finish. How now made this man they sick. Oh in bawo me di yeah. We want me why to ta we gbe ra o he. Odi kiata Rita we get Rita that Rita to get bad math. Rita say, he say, oh, what total we are moving one no yo. But I say, gigia. Oh, when no ya no when those alo boy we see. Now so Rita talk. I laugh. Now the video, I laugh. I forget myself. Say I need to quick go somewhere. Or when he sit down since. He sit down, see, say, egbe ya, amue. Na koto say, na we na wow. Amue, what my questions. Did you know that this woman, she forgot to douche now? Monica don't douche again. Monica will just wake up in the morning, enter Facebook, from morning to night, and she's not making sense anymore. She don't have advice. Even if you are making money, not be the way when you tell me gwaka for Facebook. Not be the thing they pay. There is some people that just throw away live video for their command. Throw away live video command. So people don't really depend on this social media money. Because this social media money is not something of 100% you will get. It's not be work. It's not occupation. This is not your work. You don't have contract with it. Then why is she like this? Why is she behaving like this? Why this woman just try to just reach where she no want reach? She can never, na me talk me tie lovely, me what tie. Me no digigbe ni. I am a seer of Fisher land. I am a seer of Edo State. Any river when I pass, from Ishan, can reach Bini, the river, if I reach there, they always welcome me. Now you tell no say, my seer from Ishan land, he reach Edo, he reach Bini, he reach Edo. I said to these people that this woman, that, you know, I think I did a video inside last week. I did the same thing. I repeat it inside last month. I repeat it inside last month. When somebody argue with me, did you know people always like to argue with people that is very intelligent. Me, I am very intelligent. You cannot be faster. You go fast more than me. I'm very intelligent. When you talk of intelligent, I have it in me. Because why? I am a seer. Ohembo making. When we are talking of Ohembo. Ohembo, there is nothing when you go tell Ohembo, if they talk and go, they look you. If they talk, the real of it, Ohembo go they see. The lie, Ohembo go they see. Now be right from the day when somebody call me, the person tell me, say, mama, I know say you travel. I say, yes. He call me for messenger. We can't they talk. He say, mama, I say, long time. He say, he don't see me say, Ohembo or Wehi. The word you have been saying in this social media, it they always come to pass. If they believe me right from time, because when I talk word, the word they come pass. Did you know when this Ukinebo cloth first come out, when Esther Tosho use and do live video? I don't know if you people will remember. I don't know if I still have that live video on my platform. I did a live video. I said that this cloth when Monica wear, they borrow one. Monica borrow one. And use and finish, the woman dash and you know take her back. I use and take do live. That same video, I can't say, time go come. People can't say, na lie, no buy, na lie, go no buy. Now can't say, time go come. Video must come out for how this woman take borrow this cloth. My people, true, video no true come out. Ukinebo that owns the cloth. Ukinebo no come forward with that cloth. I said it that, you see this cloth when she borrow, make una not too drag her. Video of this cloth, it go come out. Why she just come out? Even when she dey pack those things, she's on record. Monica, they record Monica, they keep her. They record Monica, they keep Monica. But Monica no say they record her. You no say they record her. I said this video of this cloth must come out. True. Ukinebo come talk her. How you take the pack cloth they give her. You see? Okay, no be talk with the talk they come. Then why I thought that is so anything when they talk, if they come to pass. Even Monica herself no say, you see that lovely that you shall get that one. Any water ya no one won't be lie. Monica no say I know they put life for your head. When you talk of Monica, if I close her like this, I will just see her. I go see a poverty. She dey manage. She dey try. She dey try to meet up, but why she not dey fit meet up? She dey with lazy ass man. The lazy ass man when dey with they drink, they say time they smoke igbo, they smoke cigar. No see, they drink, they smoke igbo, they smoke cigar. You see those three things when I just talk so. People when people say that they work for Fabrica, whether they take this thing, when I tell you so, they know they make them for life. They all they make them. Before month go end, they don't already spend half of their money. They don't already spend half of their money. No, she did they follow Ekobete. Oh, good that you should follow Ekobete. It did not wish. That one. That one long away one go again. That one, she don't go. She not get where you want to go again. She don't go like down. You know, say at last it will control when she'll come to ordinary grant. And so then if I talk anything about Monica, and I make Monica go say, hey, lovely is there, lovely is there. Monica no say, I know her. She know. Monica no say, I be seer. Monica no say, if I talk something, they come to pass. She tried as a woman to make money. She dey try. I will say she see genuine place to make money. She for make her. One, why Monica no fit make her? One, she is with liability man. A grown-up man, liability man. The way when you tell no say, Ambrose is a liability man, you know we'll see better clothes for Ambrose body. Ambrose no they wear better clothes. Clothes when they see for Ambrose body now second-hand clothes. Now Ambrose they wear. Ambrose they wear second-hand clothes. Because there is no money. Ambrose no fee. There is no €100 when Ambrose will take buy t-shirt. You know, say some t-shirt they 200, 250, 120, €80. Ambrose no get €80 when she will take buy singlet. Ambrose no get €100 when you go take buy singlet. Even jeans, if Ambrose want to wear jeans, man want to wear jeans from €250, 120. If you want read jeans, say man read jeans, from 180 go up. But Ambrose no fit buy am. That is when you see Ambrose they wear second-handed clothes. Now Ambrose they wear. Ambrose no they come out with clothes. Ambrose no they come out, let's say, with native, good clothes. No, good t-shirt. Ambrose don't have good clothes. The clothes where Ambrose gets, you know, reach better. Say clothes when she they wear. The clothes no reach 5. And I still second hand. Now Ambrose still go they buy am. How can this man, a son no be anahin, or what tobo, robono soe, redigi grave now? This man is half living, half dead. Ono be na onju kere. O shoke howe, ono be na onju kere. And these people, if they should put those things in them, if they transfer and go their children, oh, you go pay me. You go pay me. Nothing concern them, but now those children, now they look sometimes and say, wow. Ambrose, look Ambrose. Now second-hand clothes, Ambrose they wear. Oh, Monica, only where you see, say Monica, you wear clothes. If you want to do a video, she they repeat her clothes, they repeat her clothes, they repeat her clothes, they repeat her clothes. So tell yourself, you not go even know video when you do new. All the time, she they repeat her clothes, they repeat her clothes, they repeat her clothes, they repeat her clothes. She they repeat her clothes. Sometimes you know what see video when you do, you know see video when you do last. When I said on this social media that you can rent a car, the delinquent one, the mugus. They're gonna say, lovely, shut up. You know if you rent car. I go just rent car for 1 year. You can rent car for 1 year. You can rent car for 6 months. You can rent car for 2 days. You can rent car for 1 month. You can rent car for 1 week. If those people, they fit rent this car, for 2 days, they will carry and go back. If they want to go out again, they will still go rent am. Somebody say, how person go just use ride one car? Yes, it's not me saying that that particular car, now he day with her. If he return this one this week now, if you want rent car next week, no be the same one when he carry last week. No be he go carry this week. You can rate it. Somebody when he say he gets custom number, come reach today, we not see custom, we not see car again, we not see plate number. I told these people that this woman, one of they pull off and like, was selfish. 120, I say 120, 42, now they wash. I no fit put love and like because I know say I know they beg una something. I just want to give una information because una not get talk like say una go see give me and I make me not dey bother myself. You know, that make me not dey bother myself. Una not get, not be so that go see give me because common love and like una not they put so that una go dey ginger me. As Atiti say, I bet pull like a love. You know? Thank you. Then this woman, she's trying, and the way she's trying to make this money is not going to favor her. No, it's not going to favor Monica. Igo na me uweme, na they still they spend her put. Before she go come sha, month go come end. Month go come end. At the end of the day, when month go end, this woman no go get rich 500 euro. Then what is the need of shouting? Why are you disturbing yourself? Why are you hurting yourself? Why you they disturb your kidney? Why you they disturb your liver? Why you they disturb your heart? Why you they disturb your mental health? Why? At the end of the day, money no go reach anything. Only waiting this woman. How is it this woman, If you just use 1 month travel, say she not do video, she'll just relax. Then she will call realize some it brain will be like say something left in brain. But she cannot. Because why? Now she be pepper, now she be salt, now she be sugar, now she be spaghetti, now she be red oil, now she be beans. May God not let me marry ma. When he go use ma tell me say, now me be salt, now me be pepper. One man don't they tell you say now be salt and pepper. My sister, that marriage, you go come out, go look for your life by yourself because the man is any man that say now me be pepper, now me be salt, you know say that man is a poor man. Even if say you leave that man, come back in 10 years time, the man still remain poor man. A real man, not they say now me be pepper, now me be salt. If you dare with your husband for us, so he will say now me be salt, now me be pepper. My dear, that man, if they draw you go back, you can never make it and you can never progress. Now Monica day reach today. Monica now, the man supposed to be everything, even the sugar self, even salt self. Now the man supposed to do it. A reasonable man go say, I beg. I know I beg. May I go find what I will do later? Now this woman come tell me say, come on salt, honey salt not the house. I beg. Not just to the man. No way burgle will bobo. He go run. He go say no, I no fit. This woman when they say, I beg, come give me money for pepper. Any woman when they tell your husband say, give me money for pepper, give me money for salt. He want to make his husband wegbobo. Not be say the woman no go fit bring that money for salt and pepper. He want make wegbobo. Now Monica can't they reach today. Monica don't do live video tire. Can't reach today. Monica cannot show good thing. You know if he show one something for live video when they do for years. Monica no fit show nothing. Because the man when put for her, the man they smoke igbo. How can you make it where Rastafarian dey? Rastafarian. Make una try look Jamaica. When you are talking of Igbo, na Jamaica na then get Igbo. The best Igbo rapper na Jamaica. If Jamaica rap Igbo, it go be like Uguguera. You go be like half wood if Jamaica rap Igbo. Try, say, if you they follow Jamaica, you are welcome, my love. If you they follow Jamaica, just go and be watching Jamaica. The men in Jamaica that is smoking Igbo, they always have problem with their wife. They will say, hey, bon clap, man. a bumbo cry. I go to work every day. I come back every day. You sit down, you smoke it, go, blah, 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 car, blah, 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 blah. You see the men go, they go mate. Now they see food chop for time. Ele buy very. The men go mate. The men they go mate. Go to Jamaica and check Jamaica. There you see man when you know they go work. Now so when they smoke so igbo, in the street, you know they feel, you know see cloth, they change cloth. Now they see my brother Ambrose. Ambrose no they feel change cloth as a man on railway bow. As a man when they abroad. Now only one suit now Ambrose get. Ambrose supposed to get more than 15 suits. I wish Ambrose was a humble and noble man. If you open Ambrose, because people like Ambrose now suit, neither they wear, but enter Ambrose. Now only one suit now Ambrose get. Only one suit. I be 2 suits. Ambrose supposed to open a cupboard, suit go full on. Because you see some men, they are in love with suit. If they open their cupboard, suit go full on. Anytime when they take this says, anytime when they take this says, maybe suit when they say 800 euro. As Ambrose make chicken so, maybe they'll say na 800 euro, they'll come do 50% says. 50% says now, it go come be this thing 400 euro. Ambrose go still wait. They'll come put down for 75%. Ambrose go see suit to buy because why? Not be person when he fat. But Ambrose cannot afford it. Ambrose no get clothes when they wear. Ambrose cannot afford a shoe. They'll say this shoe na 250 euro. Ambrose no get can. Obiaba. Ew. Ew. You know. Oh, yeah, hello. Ibu wo kesa. Ibu kesa ki ku efia na bu wo kendo. E wala ki yegbe ma. Ew. As Ambrose come up for Isha, he go for Bini. As he reach Bini, now Bini people carry and put her for inside poto. Ew. Ariamo, do Ariamo. Ew. Why, Tovia? Ew. Oh, yeah, Ibu wo kesa. Oh yeah, hello, as a bossy low. You walk a song, who have you? I'm not we walk and do. You walk and do that all it me, yeah. Ew. Oba bebe. Abrosi no mare vibini. Oba bebe. Oda ya broso ye. Oh yeah, rive na ba. Oye, Riva. Oye, na pẹ́dà mẹ́ o. Na pẹ́dà mẹ́. O pé san wa wọ́n mú gbòtọ̀ yàn. Abrosi na brosi. Ìdè bẹ́ mi. Ìnẹ̀mẹ́. Ọ̀wẹ́wẹ́ àmì àmẹ́ náà bírí yá o. Bẹ́ẹ̀ wẹ́ kára rẹ̀ yó. Glory no, Ambrosio. O pe san. Bini people compte ton torag. Anyway, I wanna Ikbe aya waena. Ya repege na ya. Na moja yivewo oba motaye dun me wa se mi opia esan no mare bini woman no kidi nya useless here when bini people spoil you okay san Oya lo ibu wo kesan. Oh, iwo kesan wa sabok pe mo ya. Isi wo te sare. Oh, batiena. Ejere seke ne, aye seke. Oh. 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 Obamia. Oh. O pe aisan. Aye wa ki wo re chen emina. Oh. O pe aisan da ro ku owuwa. O pe do da do mu eke no no hu. Iye ori ove aye ke na mo tion yi be wo. Oba moto ye. O pe ane o ko ne aisan re owuwa. Bini ma kon, he can't sleep. Eh, now I'm on that bogey. Oh, I change from Victoria away. Ye. Adultress, ye, oh, adultress, Iwagade, in our case, adultress. Eh, adultress, yo, adultress, ye. On a yaha, Buatie, Victor, me, where Victor, me, we swing there. Now, see, na life. Eh? Woman my ladia and Monica, you were akare what jabo again. Akio if you see this Ishan woman. Akio if my brother want marry Bini woman. Because if my brother want marry Bini woman, I go agree. You say if you see the one when Monica marry. If you see the Ishan. If you see the our Ishan brother, if you see the Bini woman when he marry, any Ishan woman, any Ishan man when want marry Bini woman, I go agree. Ona nyoko, and I no go agree again. No, ineme ke hogo mea, oja seke jere seke. Working what just city kamo total. You are a disgrace. You are a disgrace from Benin, and you can't disgrace Benin women. You are a disgrace to Benin women, and you can't disgrace Benin women when they marry Ishan women. If not so, my husband be the rest. Agbokin weniva. Akinye inyo doba jai. Awe unele fena wareru. Ebok padayi. Unele fena wareru. Ebok padayi. Gole, wago kwa na re. Oryo we wak me din. Gone yok yo ritaye me we mak buhe. That na ele gbe yoki da me mission. That nyane dian. Ambrosi. Ine. This woman don't try. This woman don't hustle for Facebook. This woman, she try. She hustle, but she not dey make am. Hi! Me, I no fit. Me, I no go fit. Monica hustle. Monica na Facebook hustler. At the same time, she still poor. Bono kona bono making noisy say, bono shouting say, bono ni live video say. This woman no fit. He no fit make control live video. Ow! Hi! The try. Monica try. Bono berang say Monica no fit make am. She her dream. She no reach that her dream. This marriage of a tea sometimes na mistake. To be frank and sincere, the dream of Monica, you know they where Ambrose dey. The dream of Ambrose, you know they where Monica dey. Now by mistake, now these two take combine together. And that mistake, they cannot see anything good inside. When they combine together, there is nothing good will come out. This is the woman, the first council house. Almighty rejected ona muwana muku. Hey, yele o. Awe ko abugbe barwe o. Unwe barwe o ye. Veni kubu se wo wami. Ha, ye. Eke bawe. Ine, eke bawe o. Ine o. Au. Iku akisha bugbe wo ara lokile bono nuwani bono sekese. Oh, Monica, she want to be a house owner. She want to be a house owner. Oh, why now I direct a house owner? You can buy house card for abroad. Even the people that have factory, they have where they put their money, different business when they put their money. They not just carry house, buy a card. Even their manager go say, you cannot just spend this money in this house. Think about your business. Or you go fit buy house cash. But not be all you go fit buy house cash. When we are talking of you when you want buy house cash, if 300,000 euro come out for fabrica, that fabrica go wave. 300,000 come out for fabrica. Fabrica when worth 1 billion. If 300,000 euro come out, it go wave. System go show say something don't come out. Computer go know say something don't come out. Or if na 15 computer there inside that factory, the 15 computer, it go there say 300,000 don't come on. 300,000 don't come on. If you just go there, you'll say 300,000 is left. You go another computer, the same thing when one computer talk, now the rest computer go talk. Look at, she was shouting that I say, enter house. You could have maintained this house before you come put on for air. She said, lovely. Now you go advise me. I know why. Where you don't reach. Since I don't do that video for how many years. See people when they watch you. Not be by watch. Not be Facebook, they give me food chop. I not got to they go kill myself on Facebook because I want eat put for my belly. I go first put salt for my belly before I can chop food. Did you know that too much talk they make belly they pay? Too much talk they make rinse they pay. Too much talk they make person they lean. You know they see Saga when she face now. She don't small for face. She small for face. She have pain. Even she can't get crack voice. No be belly. If you to ask live video presenter, me, if I make up, do live video. If I make up, talk for the live video, make up. If I talk 3 hours sometimes, man, I dey feel am. Now you see say, when I'm out, and I not go see me again. Once I do video, say I don't have 3 hours. If I come out for there, I don't run. I know they come again. Lie. I not go come again. Because as you they talk, your belly they go inside, they come out. Because I call where you are going. If you want to take out for body talk, your belly, it must affect your belly. Her body they pepper her rings they pepper everything they pepper her. Even back of your head, if you do talk sometimes, it will be like say your back of your head they pepper you, your neck. This woman, she cannot make it. That is the problem. She can't make it. What she's saying that she afford, she cannot afford it. She cannot. Even when they say she buy baby Vira, even the platform that I call in, I say Monica cannot afford baby Vira. It not go fit. She not get the money. Do you know what is 35,000 pounds? Do you know what is 40,000 pounds? Later now they say now 50 euro. Now she they pay every month. Later now there is a video that she did. I think somebody even called me. She said, Mama, he say, if they believe me, if I they talk, she they believe me. He said for all the old live video presenter, he said, Mama, I they look the rest to bet your word. And they carry a rich grant. Your word they rich grant. Your word they rich. I say, yeah. He say when Monica, they say she buy baby Viola. I tell her, say, she no buy. She cannot afford it. If I say something, I must stand on it. I know, say, she no buy her. You don't feel argue something with me. Me when it be say, I dey see. She no go feel afford. She don't get the money. Which people dey platform when you want give her this thing? 35,000 pounds, 40,000 pounds to buy baby Viola. Who did that platform? Who did that platform? Which woman did that platform when get money? Which woman? Which woman go fit come and say, you will say, Monica, I give you 10,000 euro. You know the Monica platform. There is no woman when go come and go say, Monica, I give you 5,000 euro. You know they. There is no woman when go there platform go say, Monica, I give you 20,000 euro. You know they. Since when Monica they do live video, nobody don't boss Monica 1,000 euro. You know they. Even 500, you know they. They're not gets. They're just there. Don't they ranty? I tell them, now maybe barrister. When time they come, all of them when food this Facebook, all those old women when food Facebook, when it be say, they don't want to go do something, go back home. When time go come, if you not reach Nigeria, you go they show us in our house. You get the men when they go show, the women when go they go show. We go break the record. All of them are much. When I get it, I say, I not get money. That thing. We na go show the first house we na build, na go show, the second na go show, the third na go show. I don't get money. Man, I don't call they shout. Man, I don't call they shout. What it happen to Monica? Monica cannot afford. Even the people when it did, they know say Monica no buy this thing. That Viola when he carry come, Range Rover. Me, I know 100%. Monica cannot afford it. I will say Ambrose they work. Say Ambrose they work. Ambrose they end 3,000 euro. For sure, Ambrose go fit afford that. He go they work in 3,000 euro. Because why? That 3,000 euro when he want end so, he go come pay bills, come on for inside. They go give you, they go calculate for you. We there Europe, we not there Nigeria. Nigeria person now no fit come now. Come they calculate for me. Do your own calculation for Nigeria currency and the way when Nigeria system be. Me, I will do my calculation the way Europe this thing be. You know, Monica, Ambrose will say, okay, you want to carry that car. Before Ambrose go carry that car, even if say Ambrose not even pull money down. As far as say Ambrose they work, even if say Ambrose no fee pay. Did you know that they can use Ambrose special money till they pay that car? Did you know that there is some lady when some people that buy a house when they don't feel pay finish, that they use their pension money till they pay. They go see squeeze come out for their pension money. They go see squeeze come out. You see Oyibo, Oyibo go buy chair now. If Oyibo buy chair, this chair go be 1,000 euro. Oyibo they pay if not 20,000 20 euro. Oyibo they pay every month. Before that chair go spoil, they don't pay and finish. They go the company go sit there tell and say, do you get where chair go expire reach for your house? Company go tell you say you don't pay finish. Oh, did you need to carry another thing again? If you see say the chair before you pay finish, the chair don't spoil. You say yes, you need another chair. They'll see on you again, plug you again, bring you chair for you. They'll see they come out for your money. Oh, now I be novice. You don't come and tell me what I know. Now be novice. If I want to buy something for this country, I go feel buying. Because at the end of the day, if I don't pay my bills finish, do everything finish, I still they get more than 1,000 something. I still they get more than 1,000 something. Even when I do shopping for house. Then if I want to buy something, I just they come, calculate me. Now they go calculate your income. Now your income they go calculate. The money when you they earn, now they go calculate for you. If you go feel carry, they'll say, yes, you are equal to the tax. They go say, okay, bring your passport, bring your DC, put them for there. They collect the money every month. When they can say, lovely, shut up. You not waiting. Did you know how many years I don't take for Europe? I've been on that system. I don't do something with system. When you talk about document, I never go with Dagbo document. I always go with genuine document. Everything that I do is genuine. I don't go with Dagbo. Even when I carry my passport out that time, she was so confused. How did this woman take get passport? How did this woman take get... No. Your own way with my way not be the same. Your own Appian way. I never go Appian way. I go straight to the point. You know, Appian way, you can never be successfully in Appian way. You must do the gog. That is why I don't like Appian way. If you are a man, you are coming to my life. Now Appian way you take on. Now the Appian way you see follow go because I don't have to trade with you in Appian way. My own now. Well, how much should they receive? You know they receive money, man. You guys, you know if you take care of me. Then later they say he carry baby viral. One person tell me say he get one person when he come they drag go. He say, Mama, the way we take they talk this thing, you know. Now say, why you mumu? He say, why me they so? I say you be mumu, na mumu you be. How old are you for Europe? Now you go they tell me what I know. I say Monica no fit afford that car. If let me Monica go bring that car, come now rent it, they rent her. Say, Mama, you sure? I thought say go sit down, you go see her one day. You don't see that car again. The other day I say, he do video when I see say, who first tell me, say somebody tell me. And somebody can tell me, say, I get one video when he do, he say, na only Lolo Puyi, I don't know, say, that cannot deal with her again. Even before Lolo talk say that cannot deal with her again, I don't first do live video talk say, she's not with that car anymore. She not there with the car. That person got to say, Mama, now, wow. You understand these people? I understand them. I know they well. The people believe fake life. Fake life can never help you. Me, I know they buy fake things. I they buy original one. If I want to buy something, if something at 200 euro, na original one, they collect them. If na 500 euro, they collect them. Why? Once I buy that bag will last me. If I dey carry come and people will think say na new one, then I go see spend, I go see keep money to do better thing. No fit they buy this. You know, not they see cloth when Monica they wear sometimes. When she wash the cloth don't die like that. I have some clothes, I have some clothes when be say it don't pass 6 years. If I wear I will tell you say this cloth now today now I'm buying. You go say If I tell you say this cloth don't reach 5 years, you'll say nah lie. Because I like beautiful things. I like to put my money for something when it's fine. Something when it go last for me. Not see what you AliExpress, the Miami cloth. If you wash and once, everything don't wash away, everything don't fade out. When she go wear the clothes, she'll come be like person when she they play for inside poto. But these people don't know view. Those are the people I see say they don't know what is beauty. There is no, that woman, she's not beauty in anything. Since when she they do live video, she be the same. You see some people now when they do makeup, they go change. When they wear clothes, they go change. No, she know they change. You know that there is some makeup some people go do. You say, There is some clothes when somebody go wear. You say, How old? The same. Makeup no they change. Clothes when they wear no they change. The same thing. How not tell they even they fit stay there. Her view no they change. Her makeup no they change. Her dressing no they change. From the day one can't reach today. Her makeup remain the same. Her dressing the same look. Somebody they change. You know they see some actress. It's some actress. If you see them sometimes, if you not zoom the picture come out, you're not gonna say na inyedo. You know not say na inyedo. If you not zoom the picture come out, well, you're not gonna say na toto dike. And then when you come right for you, so be this beautiful. And if you can't dress her, you can say na toto dike. Her clothes don't change. They get new look. Her makeup, they get new look. Everything she put, they get new look. Yeah? Everything. I don't know. This woman supposed to stay from Nigeria. They inside one village. I don't know the sponsor that will carry this woman enter abroad. She's so local. She's so fucking local. See this thing when she wear now. See the way when this thing be for her body. When some women go wear this thing, come and when for no leg. Some women wear this thing. You go see the way when e feed them. Everybody get this thing for inside house. Some people get am as towel. If you get off your bed, now you go wear this thing. You enter bedroom. Or it didn't, if say you get visitor for house, you go dey side of your bed. If you get up, you go wear am. Like people wey they use anything sleep. You will put on for side of your bed. If you wake up in the morning, you go wear am. Or maybe if you want to go drink water for city room, you go wear am. In your afternoon, you go wear am. Morning, you go wear am. Night, you go wear am. In the evening, if they cook, you go wear am. Lunch time, she go wear am. This thing doesn't mean for lunch. This thing mean for night. Night come reach in the morning. In the morning, around 8 o'clock, this is not supposed to dey your body again. Because you don't already bath as a woman. This thing you don't already hang on. Now let God know how this thing they smell now. Now this woman now, Bola when they use since. That Bola since when he with his friend. That time when they say that they do this thing. I think it's almost 4 years now. That Bola, that rubber penis now, it don't expire. This woman see they chook am for his anus, see they chook am for his bekus. That thing is expired. Expiry date that Igbola now. I don't know. Now everything person this private part, it is sensitive well. If they take get tissue sometimes, that's what they do me sometimes. Let's say, if tissue fall for ground, I'll say you cut tissue. If you cut tissue sometimes, you'll say you want to use until wipe your nash. Me, if I cut tissue, say if you dey toilet now, you cut tissue whole. You just dey there, just dey medicate if you dey shit like that, or if you dey piss. If I cut tissue, say the tissue by mistake fall for my hand, it fall on top of, say for toilet now, you get rug, small rug when you dey there. If it fall for there, I want to use until wipe my boo-boo again. Because why? I discover one certain time, that's something, as I cut tissue come fall from my hand. I pick am. I use and take wipe my this thing, my bekus. I come dey hear some this something come dey scratch me. I don't say why this thing go come dey scratch me? Now I can't use water. I can't quickly use water. I can't wash am. Since then, if I cut tissue, say the tissue it fall from my hand. I want to use and take they wipe my this thing. I go just put am for toilet. Take another one. That you see this woman, she carry dido come expiring this thing. That thing expire. That thing they smell now. Say na plastic. Say na plastic. She dey chook am for her body, and her body gets vapor. When I know say her body get heat, she dey chook am for her body. That thing this thing now go dey even dey smell safe. Hi. Now wow, people dirty sha. Toe. Wow. Bekus we wo mi obore wo useless wi nyanya. Hey. Now wow. That thing don't expire. That thing. Since when with the friend quarrel now, it don't reach 3 years. Una know the time when they say, if they sweet you, go peace. If they lele you, when would they do cassava show that time? Now, when I remember when she enter shop, she go buy dark bekus. She with her friend come dey line. She come dey show her friend say, you like this black one? That one come dey look am. That one come get the way when you take the look am that time. You come dey look am one kind. Now that time I'm gonna say, that is friend. No, well, he come dey this thing. I think that day he use Mama Iye boy to do life finish. I can still remember that time when he come dey he saw Mama Iye boy that time. He used that one to do this to finish. Now he enter where they sell plastic cassava. That plastic cassava now, it don't pass 5 years for your hand. Yes, that plastic cassava, it don't pass 5 years for your hand now. 5 years now that plastic cassava go dey now. That plastic cassava, it don't expire. You're supposed to throw away that one, go buy another one. Even there is some when they do when it big pass that one. Go carry. Even this one self now, don't expand your kpekus. Even this one now, they go for inside your kpekus. Then they say it's too big. It's not too big for her. She don't use her practice. You know, say, cassava with kpekus, You know, say if they dey inside each other, if they gum. You know, say if they gum. You know, say now skin to skin. It be like say you dey use your hand now take you carry your hand now and you dey use and take dey rub your hair like this, your hair, your skin. You see, you go dey break. Like that cassava when they use now, you know go dey break, you go dey pass and fion. That one when you carry come out safe, Monica Toto big pass that cassava. And the chemical of that cassava, don't put many crocro for this woman, this thing. And this woman now, she go dey discharge. Because why? That's this thing. Because that woman say, Makbu enedeya we was ten the talk when you wear. One, retire me na true. She talk for that this thing. Because this cassava now, when she dey carry, you go dey give her infection for a private part. And this woman now, she go dey discharge. Now no, she don't get this thing infection through that cassava. She see say that they use cassava till they do blue film. Now she go buy cassava. She don't know say people when they use that cassava till they do blue film, expiry date day when they go they throw winner. She just keep her own for house like pot when they cook. She will just sit down, she will just go carry her. How can a woman when even day with man for house? You all carry cassava. You say, if Ambrose don't do. You go carry one, you can for inside your anus. Carry the second one, you can put for inside your toto. Then you can't use your mouth, can't they suck your Ambrose cassava. How can you tell me say na plastic now you dey enjoy pass real cassava? Plastic is just like me. Oh, I never use plastic. Oh, to God who made me. I no go come crazy fish. I don't tell where they say I want to buy plastic. I'm not useless like that. I'm not useless. I have brain. I have sense. I'm normal. I'm not crazy. I'm not desperate. I don't enter shop, but I want to buy a cassava. What I want use cassava do? A man that the woman have cassava. That means say the man is not functioning. The man is not the man you cannot have a man like Ambrose for house. As Ambrose just be so. Even if say Ambrose prick don't die, as una they talk. But see a man like Ambrose, for real, he go get dick. Unless if the penis don't die. So men when they fake like that, they have dick now that they get. Let's say the man this thing die. If that man prick still they walk, if that man prick still they walk, that woman no go get this thing for inside house. If I don't even throw away herself. The day when she go buy the dick, now don't tell me buy that dick. Oh. That dick, I think it don't reach almost 5 years now when you buy that dick. It's long time. It's not time that she buy that dick. Before that day she bought the dick, she was on live video. Then she can't call her friend, her ex-friend. She can't show that one. That one can't look like this. So you know, it was so strange to that one. That one she was ashamed of herself. And they look the video. I will say we'll go bring the video come on. You see the day when they say, Lola, see this one. Lola, she was ashamed of herself. She was ashamed. That is the day she bought this thing. It's 5 years ago now, if I'm not lying. Anybody that was with them there, I think it's 5 years. That 5 years, this thing, it don't expire. And she they took her for the anus, they took her for the bekus, And that woman now, she go dey discharge. Because that thing go give her infection. And where she pack that thing put now so she'll go pick am for there. She'll just carry am direct to Bekus. She no go first go wash am first. She for go wash am. You know where you don't go pack and put now. Maybe you don't want to finish now. You live on top of bed, on top of anywhere where maybe fall for ground. She will not pick am for ground. You can put for inside Bekus. Ha! This woman, she's so dirty. She's so too dirty. This woman, she's so dirty. Oh, be. Ha! Yeah, I see it, Omo. I see it, Omo, Edowe. I see, Omo, yeah, I don't talk am for here, oh. It's not the Bekus when they leak, and look at the soft that man is swallowing now. Look at the soft when Ambrose they swallow. That they now say Ambrose don't lean. How he no go lean? She go the man, whether not the man they help and they choke the black dick for this year. I don't know. Black boy and this thing. Then the man will come choke. Hi, Jesus Christ, that is stink. I hate it. Me, I'll come lie down. I can't open leg. One stupid man will come they chook something for my leg. You they crazy? Come they chook something. For what did they happen? I don't feel give you, but this if you can't give you my toto, may you see finish. Me, I be person when it be say, my toto, I they respect. I don't use and take play. Oh. I don't use and take play. Then if you can't chook the rubber. Then if you can't come out the rubber, Ambrose go pull out, go they lick am. And if you lick am, go they swallow am. Try. Nah. Ah, Jesus Christ. Are you serious? No. I beg this woman. I beg. Me again ya ekwan brosi ya mujan. Ya brosi no sukure nye. Biwa ya cho no si. Ba mo ye so ne. Guy wait how they take the do am. If you prick not they walk again, they'll tell and say, yeah, the get what that they do put. And they'll say, I don't they tell on this one now. Maybe if you don't hear this one now, you go just go tell Bruce, say, yeah, one video when lovely they do. She go say she not they watch. She not they watch. She will come to, she not watch you or wait till you touch. She will come they talk for our live video. Fake, all those people, all this live video presenter. All of them are they on that fake account. When you go just enter, now they just they reach there so that they go see waiting you can't talk. Seriously, these people dirty. Oh, now I make the kitchen dirty, Bekus dirty, everything dirty. Seriously, I know these people. If I reach their house, I don't feel sit down for 1 minute. They are too dirty. They can when they with the baby papa, can't carry. That even that dick self, some women hate her, some people hate her. I hate that thing. I hate it. If I see this thing, if I see that dick, and they use until they hate useless men where. If you be person when be say, you the reason far, you there that reason far cause the reason where. If you see that dick, you use until hate useless men more. That dick is a useless thing. To this, they even rain again. Plastic no they rain again. Plastic no the time where plastic rain don't pass. Plastic no they rain again. The people don't talk about plastic again. She still have it. Kukuma no be to do. They say you don't fight go the fuck for outside before. There is no need now that you get what that they do put. May you go do and make Kukuma go outside. You don't fight go they do before. That time they say you go waiting say you go do this thing and we feel where you are you go do cleansing. I don't know whether you go do cleansing. You not consign me. And everything when they this woman area, people go they say, "Con learn he better pass." What did they better pass person? The pikin when he carry, the son when he carry, when they use that boy take raw Facebook, the father of that boy no fit go carry, tell and say, "Come out settle this issue." And this man now say, "How I can do one?" Nah, you see, he go divorce. Nah, the woman no marry again. The man when he get that son can take that son because bride price not dey head again. He can take that son. He go say na his son might be this one. That son, everything when he just did that house is terrible. There is nothing you will lay in that house. Where are you going to start say you want learn? That they say, lovely, where I reach you not go. I say go for big. Where I want learn for there? The pikin when you born, that they drag her. Now you divorce. You enter single mother, it no benefit you. You carry the man, una call they do boyfriend and girlfriend, no benefit you. Now you they carry rubber, they come out. 5 things when I don't count for you now. Nobody on this life wants to experience that thing. Like me, something when they bother person, I don't like her. I be like foul. If that feather not good for my body, I will remove her. If you like make people talk, you know, consign me. I must take it out. Look at this woman. Look around this woman now. Everything I just mentioned now. There is no woman on this head that would like to choose for those things. There is no good thing in her house that you will choose from. Nothing. What kind of life is this? Why is she like this? She they like video, she go shout oh. She won't make money. Even if say people when you get fabrica, now so that they shout, they go see what's more, they'll see go house, they'll go see rest, they'll see come back. You just shout oh. Ew. May reach 1 hour 30 minutes. If you reach 1 hour 30 minutes, I'm right now, yes, say it don't reach 1 hour 30 minutes. Now she come with baby Viola. That one say, Mama Loveland say, waiting. I say, I know they like me illiterate, they talk to me. I say, no, illiteracy people, I don't welcome them. Because people when they dumb, illiteracy when they say they don't want to learn. They go want make they call they brainwash you. I don't like her. I don't like brainwash. You know if you tell me something when I know it, they vex me. He say, mama, if you not buy a cash, why you go use and take do birthday? I say, are you buy the car? Why you go use and do birthday? I say, my sister, cars they when they do marriage. If you want to use and do marriage, where you buy that car? If you carry that car from there, if you want make person come help you, the company go even tell you say the matter you want use to do, you'll say yeah, you'll say okay, we have somebody that will decorate it for you. He say and I say yes. Then they see that they get, they'll say yes, the paper did everything they did. Do you have somebody? They'll say, do you have somebody that will decorate it for you? If you want it, they'll say na marriage now you want use and do. Because why for that marriage when you want use and do? Maybe they'll say, okay, you want to use it to do marriage, you'll say yes. If the marriage won't last for 2 days, you go borrow the car for 2 days. You know, we'll use them for 1 day. If the marriage won't last for 3 days, you will borrow, you know, they see, till SC, you know, they watch, people when they do marriage, then they borrow car for 1 week. You will say, yes, now 1 week, or now 3 days. Because you go take go wedding. After wedding, you go church. You know, see, if you wait today when be Saturday, tomorrow, you go see carry the car go with the decoration of the wedding. You go see carry and use and take go church or Sunday, go do Thanksgiving. The person say, hey, Mama, I say, yes. I say, that place, hey, what of the things we do top? I say, you can buy that thing, carry and follow, but you use and take designer because they don't tell the company, say, now birthday, she won't use and do. Now birthday she won't use and do. Yes, now birthday now she won't use and do. Person say, I don't know, you don't understand. And I say, Don't let this thing bother you, because you are not going to understand, because fake life. Now they make people, they understand her fake life. People that do fake life, before you go understand them, it go hard. They make they understand, say she's a fake life person. That is why in fake life they gawk for a fake life. People they do fake life. They gawk for her fake life where. You don't see, they see this person when they call her, when they do nyama tea. I wait till they call her Bobrisky. Sometimes Bobrisky they do fake life. If Bobrisky don't do the fake life, Bobrisky say they want start to dig and ask for the fake life. You go bring another tea, come out again, use another tea to cover her. This one, she go just she go debunk fake life. How can you debunk fake life? Fake. You want to debunk fake to original? How can a fake thing become original thing? Original is original. Fake is fake. Okay, since when she buy that, when she say she buy Range Rover, when I see Range Rover, this thing, the car, this thing, when they take buy the car, the receipt, he not bring Range Rover receipt. He not bring house receipt. They say me go bring house receipt. Begin to the. She's the one that called. Are you not my solicitors? What it concern solicitors concern this thing? He say yes. My family said that I did buy the car. What buy the house cash? What concern seller? Concern buyer? What concern this thing? What did they call her? Agency. Nothing, cause when you buy house finish for agency, they go complain to agency again. Once you don't buy house finish, before you buy a house, it's something that you will think. You can even use 3 months to think. 3 months you use and take thinking. If you buy house 3 months, you go say you want buy house, you think. People when they say they want buy house, some people they don't for 3 years now that they say they want buy house. They check on her, they'll say they don't check on house for over 3 years. They never still make up their mind to buy it. This one all wake up one morning. She not even show. If people want to buy house, then they go show them different house. You know say as lot they do and so. Go here, show here, go here, go here, go here, go here. She not show. They don't give her this thing, council house. She just roll, be like say, she took the grab things when some people don't want. There is some things when people don't want to take. This woman, she will take it. Why is she so dirty? Now let this woman see say, she's so dirty, cloth where fellow woman wear remain. She wear her. She wear her. You know say friend that I thought say, now her pipe, now she take go fuck one person. This one now, if this woman not quarrel now, we not go know say, this woman, she dey pack cloth, they give her. Is that not a dirty woman? A dirty woman. You go, hey, very dirty. As I don't be so. Cloth wey fellow woman like me wear remain. I go just carry her. They don't even wash her. At this modern life, at this 25th century, I all wear her. Wear her, take do with it. May I call this one more come again? May not go to 29.